I just picked up this keychain, which can hold everything. What's happening? Panda Nation, Peter Von Panda here. This says Silipac. It kind of looks like hieroglyphs or something, but it's by a company called Silipac, and they make this, an EDC mag beads keychain. Now, I was intrigued by this because there are lots of times when I want something on my keychain, but for different applications, and this one seemed to be the answer to all my problems. So, first of all, comes just like this. I think they make each of these like on a lathe. It actually has a little bit of weight. You can see here, it kind of looks like something out of Star Wars, man. It looks great. It's got this kind of weathered finish here. I think they make them in some different finishes. But the thing about this is that obviously you have this little carabiner here and attached on both sides, but these are two really strong magnets. So, pull them apart just like that, and now we have two magnets in there. And so that makes it really easy to get different connectors right here and put anything you want on your keychain. So for example, here is my Buick keychain, and I carry an AirTag on there a lot of times just in case I forget it. You know, I want to know where the valet is, those types of things. You know, sometimes I leave it around the house and need to find it. But there have been many times when I have wanted something like my Star Wars bottle opener because, you know, I'm going camping and I'm going to be opening bottles, or I'm going to have some friends over and I'm going to be drinking all day, or I'm just going to be alone evaluating the choices I've made in my life. So there are a lot of times when I want this on my keychain. Other times you might want a flashlight. This one's a little bigger. It's a personal beacon. But I also have some of those small keychain flashlights. And if I'm going out for a weekend, if I'm going for a walk, those types of things, I love to be able to snap that on. Or sometimes you need a little knife to open some packages. And so the nice thing about this is that now I don't have to open up this keychain just like this. I can just put on the Silipac connector just like that, and now I can put on anything I want, right? So in fact, this flashlight has a magnet built in, so I don't even need the connector for that. And also, because it's metal, I could just connect it just like that too, but I can also snap it right in here, put all my different accessories hanging up, and connect them quickly to my keychain. So this is great for anyone who maybe has different tasks throughout the day. Maybe you have different types of keys. Maybe you're managing different types of properties. Maybe you're working in a professional environment one day, but then you are outdoors on the weekend. Maybe you prefer to carry around a wrench and a tool on some days, and then a light on other days. So the fact that this keychain here is super modular, the fact that you can order more of these things, the fact that this thing is super strong is crazy. And what I also love about this is that you don't have to use it just for keychains. I mean, this connector can be used for anything. So if I just want to connect this to my shirt and hang my GPS off here, maybe I want to have my GoPro hanging off here, a camera, my EDC knife, my light, whatever it is, I can put them right on my backpack strap here, have them at the ready. So I really love this thing. This is really impressive. And it's impressive how strong this is for how small it is. The other thing that I was thinking about is that instead of my little wooden keyboard, what I could do is put a little metal strip on there and then have all the accessories that are connected by magnets up on that metal strip, because these will stick to just about anything that has metal on them. So you could have them hanging on your keyboard, by your door, on your refrigerator, your stove, whatever. So this Silipac keyring is super awesome. I'm going to order some more of these accessories here so that I can have all the stuff ready to go, so I can swap them out easily, but yet have them securely. So having all your various accessories at the ready on your keychain is going to help you out. Then I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.